The 2005 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, CD changer, traction control, stability control, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.